Want a home that practically runs itself? In this ultimate 2025 Smart Appliance Guide, I'll show you the tech that saves time, energy, and money, and makes life a whole lot easier. In the rapidly accelerating world of smart home technology, innovation stands at the forefront, transforming everyday living into a seamless, efficient experience. Back in 2024, the smart home appliance market was not just thriving, it was booming. In the United States alone, revenue is projected to hit $12.6 billion in 2025, while globally, the industry is set to soar to an impressive $68.7 billion in the same year. This remarkable growth is fueled by a relentless demand for convenience, enhanced energy efficiency, and the effortless integration of devices within the modern household. The latest advancements unveiled at CES 2025 have redefined what it means to live in a smart home. Major tech companies showcased a new wave of AI-integrated appliances, signaling a shift toward greater interconnectivity, not just within the home, but extending to automotive technologies as well. Imagine your car and kitchen appliances communicating, syncing schedules, and optimizing routines. This vision is quickly becoming reality. Among the standout innovations are AI-powered kitchen appliances designed to make culinary tasks faster, easier, and more enjoyable. GE's new indoor smoking appliance, for example, brings restaurant-quality smoked flavors to the home chef, all with a simple voice command or app tap. Meanwhile, Cold Snap's quick ice cream machine reimagines dessert preparation, allowing users to create fresh, personalized ice cream in minutes. No pre-freezing required. These devices exemplify a broader industry focus on convenience and efficiency, leveraging artificial intelligence to anticipate user needs and automate complex processes. But the smart revolution doesn't stop in the kitchen. Across the home, smart thermostats, security cameras, lighting systems, and even Wi-Fi routers have become integral to daily life. These devices learn from user habits, adjust to preferences, and can be controlled remotely or through voice assistants, providing a truly connected living experience. The promise is alluring: a home that adapts to you, saves energy, and delivers comfort at the tap of a smartphone or the sound of your voice. However, with this proliferation of connected devices comes a new set of challenges. Security is now a top concern for homeowners as hackers increasingly target smart home technology. Vulnerabilities such as weak passwords and outdated firmware make devices like Wi-Fi routers, smart thermostats, and security cameras attractive targets for cyber criminals. The consequences can be serious, ranging from unauthorized access to personal data to the compromise of home safety systems. Industry experts emphasize the importance of proactive security measures. Regular firmware updates are essential, as manufacturers frequently release patches to address newly discovered vulnerabilities. Strong, unique passwords for each device, combined with two-factor authentication where available, form the foundation of a secure smart home ecosystem. These steps, though simple, are powerful defenses against the most common threats. Recognizing the critical need for secure and user-friendly smart home experiences, leading companies have begun to collaborate on universal standards for device interoperability. The Matter initiative represents a major leap forward, aiming to create a common framework that allows devices from different manufacturers to work together seamlessly. This addresses one of the long-standing frustrations of smart home adoption: the lack of compatibility between devices, which often leads to fragmented and frustrating user experiences. With Matter, users can expect easier setup, more reliable connections, and the ability to expand their smart home ecosystem without worrying about whether new devices will work with existing ones. For consumers, this means greater flexibility and confidence when selecting new gadgets, knowing that industry leaders have prioritized both convenience and security. The evolution of smart home appliances is also closely tied to sustainability and energy management. Many of today's devices not only automate tasks, but also help reduce energy consumption. Smart thermostats, for instance, learn your schedule and optimize heating and cooling to minimize waste. Refrigerators and washing machines now feature energy-saving cycles that adjust based on usage patterns, contributing to lower utility bills and a smaller environmental footprint. Voice control and remote access have further enhanced the accessibility and practicality of high-tech gadgets. Integration with popular platforms like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit has become standard, allowing users to control appliances, monitor security cameras, and adjust lighting, all without lifting a finger. This hands-free convenience is especially valuable for adults with busy lifestyles, enabling multitasking and making everyday routines more efficient. As smart home appliances continue to evolve, personalization is becoming a key focus. AI-driven devices can now learn individual preferences, suggest recipes based on dietary needs, and automate maintenance reminders. This customized approach not only saves time, but also enhances the overall quality of life, transforming the home into a truly intelligent environment. Yet, as we embrace the benefits of smart technology, it's important to remain vigilant. The interconnected nature of these devices means that a single weak link can compromise the entire network. Manufacturers and consumers alike must commit to ongoing education and best practices in cybersecurity, ensuring that convenience does not come at the cost of privacy or safety. Looking ahead, the future of smart home appliances is bright, driven by relentless innovation and a growing ecosystem of devices designed to make life easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Whether it's a refrigerator that orders groceries when supplies run low, a thermostat that adjusts itself based on the weather forecast, or a security camera that distinguishes between pets and intruders using advanced AI algorithms, the possibilities are expanding every day. For adults seeking the best in high-tech gadgets, the market now offers a diverse array of options to suit every need and lifestyle. From energy management and culinary excellence to enhanced security and entertainment, today's smart appliances deliver a sophisticated blend of form and function. Staying informed about the latest developments, such as those highlighted at CES 2025, ensures that consumers can make educated choices and fully leverage the power of smart technology at home. In summary, the smart home appliance sector stands as a testament to the transformative potential of high-tech innovation. Recent breakthroughs in AI integration, universal standards like Matter, and a renewed emphasis on security and sustainability are shaping the next chapter in home automation. As revenue and adoption continue to rise, these devices are redefining what it means to live comfortably, efficiently, and safely. At High Tech Gadgets News, we remain committed to providing timely reviews, updates, and insights on the best smart appliances for adults. By staying ahead of industry trends and keeping security top of mind, consumers can confidently embrace the benefits of a truly smart home. The revolution is here, and it's only getting smarter. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.